Woo booby. That was so cool. Now turn the camera to take a picture. Say cheese!
On the beaches of the Galapagos Islands is another thriving social scene of blue-footed boobies. Their blue feet are real eye candy to the ladies. Some simple steps are taken to score. Step 1. Show off your blue suede shoes. Step 2. Bow your head. Step 3. Give her a gift. And then, maybe flash those blues again. If she's still not impressed, well, he kicks it up a notch. Okay, now that's more like it. She likes him enough to join in the dance. While they do form families, boobies are swingers. They may have several mates at a given time. Their eye wanders as soon as the other steps away. But no hard feelings here. This is all part of the mating game.
Goodbye. Goodbye, booby.